Imagine you're looking for a new graphics card for your gaming PC. Not too expensive, but powerful enough to handle today's titles, ideally with modern features like ray tracing and DLSS. Sounds good? Then stick around until the end, because today we're taking a look at a very promising card, the new mid-range GPU from ASUS, which aims to deliver exactly that. The TUF series from ASUS has always stood for rugged design, and that's obvious here too. The card comes with a reinforced backplate, a high-quality cooling system, and military-grade components. In short, this thing feels solid, but how does it perform in real-world gaming? Thanks to the new architecture, you get the latest generation of ray tracing and DLSS features. Especially at 1080p, the card delivers excellent performance, perfect for gamers who don't want to drop $1,000 on a new setup. And what about the competition? Compared to the previous generation, this GPU offers up to 30% more performance, with the same power draw. However, competing models with 12 or 16 gigabytes of VRAM might have an edge in future titles. Price-wise, it sits comfortably in the mid-range. If you find a good deal, you're definitely getting strong performance for your money. You can find links to current offers in the video description. Go check them out. As you can see, 1080p is clearly the sweet spot for this card. 1440p is still playable, but 4K gets pretty tight. If this was helpful, make sure to subscribe for more reviews like this, and don't forget to leave a like on the video. Pros: strong performance at full HD, 1080p. Supports modern graphics technologies, durable build with an efficient cooling system. Cons: only 8 gigabytes VRAMs, could be limiting in newer games. Struggles noticeably at 4K resolution, not always cheaper than models with more memory. If you mainly play in full HD and want to enjoy current games with great visuals without breaking the bank, this card is absolutely worth considering. The performance is solid, the features are modern, and as usual, ASUS delivers a stable, well-built product. But keep in mind, always check the latest deals in the description, because depending on the price, this GPU could be a great bargain, or not. And if you have questions or want to see how it stacks up against other cards, drop a comment below, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.